It's been anything but a typical winter in the Red River Valley. I'm Tom Fuchs, the Senior Construction Manager with the Metro Flood Diversion Authority, with an update on how the warmer than average weather has been impacting construction on the FM Area Diversion Project. Although main channel excavation has slowed due to incredibly muddy conditions, numerous crossings and structures for the stormwater diversion channel are under various stages of construction. At County Road 32, ASN Constructors is installing bridge girders atop the completed concrete substructure elements. This marks the first of many girders to be installed at the channel's 19 road and railroad crossings. At the County Road 10 crossing, which is just north of I-94, ASN Constructors completed driving piles and is now constructing concrete abutments and piers making up the bridge's substructure. Similar work is also occurring at the 38th Street Bridge, which is just south of I-94. Work is also being done on the KO subdivision rail line between County Road 10 and I-94, where BNSF crews are installing shoe-fly tracks, which will serve as bypasses while the permanent crossing is being built. Further north at the Prosper subdivision rail line, trains are now running on the completed shoe-fly track, and crews have started driving piles for the permanent crossing. Concrete work also continues at the Maple River Aqueduct, where the flume and conduit structure is well underway. In the last month, ASN Constructors placed concrete for the second segment of the large footing at the structure's base. They also began placing formwork and rebar for the structure's west abutment and pier walls, which will serve to both support the structure's flume, which will convey Maple River flows above, and make up the structure's conduits, which will convey stormwater diversion channel flows below. They are also driving piles for the structure's adjacent wing walls. Over at the Red River control structure, work has continued as well, and crews completed yet another concrete placement at the structure's west pier. Curious as to what makes earthwork unique and at times more challenging in the Red River Valley? Just dig into some of our YouTube videos on soil.